Negative EPO, we're expected to have a very negative EPO. That brings cold air in. Your WPO puts blocking above, and your negative NAO puts blocking out to the east. So now cold air is being thrown into the states. It can't go north. It can't go east. And your storm pattern sets up, especially if you have an active subtropical jet. That's what's happening here. We're expected to have a negative NAO, or at least a neutral one, a very astronomically negative WPO, and a very negative EPO to bring that cold air down into the states. That's the setup for early December. Oh, by the way, on top of that, almost forgot to mention, and I brought this up on my X, Climate Corner HQ. Didn't let me use Connor's Climate Corner HQ. Here's what I said yesterday on my X. Comparing the GFS 00Z versus 18Z runs from today, there's a clear uptick in the projected 10 millibar warming. We're talking about the stratospheric polar vortex here. This is the big polar vortex that freezes us. The 18Z run shows a stronger, broader warm anomaly and a more pronounced vortex displacement signal pushing towards North America. Here was our run in the beginning of the day. Here is our run at the end of the day. You see that pushing down into North America? You see how much broader this is? So that's an amplified polar vortex breakdown. Naturally, that raises the question, could this point towards an even colder trend than already projected for North America? So again, we have that on top of a more amplified sudden stratospheric warming event on top of this very negative WPO, negative EPO, and then potentially negative NAO. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. The beginning of December looks cold.